If you're posting content on Instagram and you feel like your reels are flopping, well, it's because you are doing probably one of these 6 things wrong. And guess what? I'm going to give you the secrets on what that is and tell you what to do. So welcome back to the show where we are always talking about making money online and growing on social media. Today, we're having a conversation about Instagram. And if you do not know, I had told you guys previously that I was in Instagram jail for the last 5 months because I let my team in the Philippines schedule my content for me. And Instagram said, no, ma'am, put my account into restriction and we could not get past 200 views for anything. So I took back control over my Instagram, been posting from my phone myself, and now things are back to normal-ish. And so, yeah. So when I tell you that I know what I'm talking about as it pertains to why your content is flopping, I can tell you why. Now, this was not one of my bullet points for today, but the number one thing, if your content is flopping on Instagram, is if you got anybody posting for you in any other country, stop it now, okay? Stop it now. We had a VPN, we had remote, so let's just start there, okay? Now, I do have 6 main things that I feel like you could do today to enhance your Instagram videos in order to make sure that your account does not flop anymore. And so we're going to be covering that, but also, if you're someone and you've been saying to yourself, listen, I want more ways to not only grow my account on Instagram, but grow on TikTok, and more importantly, make money in my business, then I want to invite you to join us on the inside of the Influence Empire. And basically in there, this is my community where I host calls every single week. We have 2 calls each week, 2 calls a month where I'm looking at your content, giving you live content reviews. 1 call a month is where I give you a training, a detailed basic and advanced training. And then the final call of the month, we do hot seat coaching. So you're able to be there live and I can coach you live. And it's just $47 a month. Yeah, extremely inexpensive to join us. And so you can join us at theinfluenceempire.com if that interests you. So let's go ahead and get into it. So I have 6 little bullet points here that I want to highlight as it pertains to why your Instagram reels may be flopping. And honestly, this applies to Instagram. It applies to TikTok and any other short video platform that you're using. So let's go ahead and get into it. So the number one reason that your content is flopping is because your hook, okay? What is happening within the first 1 to 2 seconds of your video? Now, you have heard me talk about this before, and I'm going to keep talking about it because it's the number one reason why reels flop, and it is because you're not giving people a reason to stop and watch your content, okay? You're not giving them a reason to stop and watch your content, and you have to, okay? Because people log on to social media for their own reason to be entertained, and if they land on your content and your content does not give them a reason to stay, they are gone. It doesn't matter what's happening in the rest of your content. If the caption is amazing, does not matter if you do not have their attention. Within the first 2 seconds, they are gone, okay? And so especially if you are trying to sell a product or service, you really have got to target your particular audience, meaning you've got to call them out and you've got to tell your audience why they need to stop and watch your content, because you know you're trying to make a sale at the end of this or at some point in time in your content. So you've got to really give people a reason to stop and watch, or that is why it's flopping and you're not making the money you want to make. The second reason why your Instagram could be flopping could be actually what is happening with the algorithm, okay? So it's really important to understand that the algorithm is a matchmaker, okay? It's always looking for what is your content about and who do they know that is typically interested in your content. So this is why when you are creating content, you've got to be very intentional about your SEO keywords, text on screen, what you're saying in your videos, what you're saying in your caption, and what Instagram understands that you create content about. Because Instagram is saying, Keenya typically creates content around this, and this. And so Tiffany has logged onto the platform. Tiffany's going to like Kenya's content. She's supposed to. And if the algorithm is trying to match up the content to the right people and the people they match it up to don't like it, it could be because we're confusing the algorithm with our content, or what's actually happening in our content, the algorithm is sending it to the right people and people are just not interested. Okay. Like they're just not that into you. That could be happening. The algorithm doesn't exist without you. Okay. So you've got to work with the algorithm and giving it what it needs to match you up to the right people. And you've got to give your audience what they need to want to consume the content that you are actually putting out. All right. The third thing is that you have to make sure that you are creating content around topics that your audience wants to see. Okay. So you can't just create content about anything just because you want to. You've got to understand that you are trying to get someone to stop and watch content. That means that you've got to create some things that are already proven work well as good content topics. Now, that does not mean you can't talk about what you want to talk about the way you want to talk about it. It does mean that if your content continues to flop because you're choosing your own topics and not based upon what your audience is engaging with or desiring or dealing with, then that's why it's flopping, because your audience is the key. Your audience is the one that's going to consume. And so even though we want to create what we want to create around, it's really not about us. It's really about the people that we are trying to attract to our content, because without them, we have no views, we have no engagement, we have no followers, and we definitely don't have any money. Okay. The fourth reason why your Instagram reel may be flopping is because of audios. Okay. I was coaching a client earlier today, and when she was showcasing her video, she had a copyrighted sound, and the video was like 56 views, when normally she get hundreds and hundreds of views on her content. And I was looking at the content and I was like, and then I clicked on the audio and said, I think it's the audio problem, because a lot of times what people do is they'll bring copyrighted music to Instagram, right? And there's already music there for Instagram. Okay. And if you go and use an audio that is not necessarily approved by Instagram but hasn't been rejected yet, then you might find yourself what they are like suppressing the content somewhat because it's not an approved audio to be there. Now, I've experienced that a lot on TikTok and a little bit on Instagram, but that could be one of the reasons. And so make sure that if you're going to use an audio that's got copyrighted music on it, find the actual copyrighted music that has like thousands and thousands of views on it or uses on it. That way you know it's connected to the right account. Instagram has approved it and you can add it to your video. Okay. Number 5, the fifth reason why your content may be flopping is because you don't really have captions in your videos. Okay. I was telling a guy earlier today that his content was excellent, but he had a voiceover and no captions. No, like you couldn't see what the video was about. You could see it, but you couldn't hear him. Right. So unless you clicked on unmute, you didn't really know what was happening in the video, what the video was about. But if you have your captions turned on, people are able to read what is happening in your video if you are speaking into it. Okay. Now you may say, well, why wouldn't they just unmute? Well, sometimes people are not in a space where they can actually unmute a video. But also people mute content because they don't want to hear 1 second of 100 videos as they are scrolling along. Make sense? So the videos are muted. So you have to understand that your audience might have their content muted. And so if you have captions turned on your video and you put an emphasis on them, like using them in CapCut or whatever, then what you may find is that you'll have more success with that content, especially when it's speaking content. Okay. And then the final thing is that the reason why your content may be flopping is because you're just not consistent enough. Okay. It may be because you're not consistent, because here's the deal. Instagram is not going to reward like your inconsistency. It's just not. It is rewarding people who are consistently on the platform, whether that is posting once a day or that's posting once a week. Definitely not once a month, right? But with once a day or once a week, you've got to be consistent, okay? And it is looking for you to engage with other people's content as well, okay? Because it is a social media platform, meaning it wants you to engage with people and people to engage back with you. And if people are engaging and you're not talking back to them, that's even worse. Okay. So those are my 6 main things, 6 main reasons why I believe that your content may be flopping on Instagram and how you can change that. I hope that this was beneficial for you. If you do have any questions about growing on Instagram, be sure to ask me in the comments, and make sure you come and join us on the Inside of the Influence Empire, where I'm coaching you every single day. And we have a call every single week for just $47 a month. You can go to theinfluenceempire.com. That is theinfluenceempire.com. And I'll see you on the next one.